Hi, so we'll be using some ifs. In some ifs, we use some if we need to get the data with multiple criteria. So our criteria here for this example are the branch status, location, status as per finance, and concept one. So in some ifs, first we need to make sure that we have the data. And here our data we will be getting the numbers are in column F. So some ifs. Make sure that the data is in numbers. We cannot sum the letters, of course, the text. So make sure there are no texts here, all numbers. So here, this is our table. So these are our criterias, and these are our specifics: open, Manila, adjusted. So I'll delete this one, and then we can start some ifs. So first, in some ifs, we have to highlight the column or row where we'll be getting the data. So it's in letter F, column F. So I just highlighted letter F and then pressed F4 so it won't move. Or you can type the dollar signs. And then our first criteria is the branch status. Then highlight the branch status. Here, our branch status, we need the open. And then the location, highlight the location. And then we need the Manila. And then status as per finance, adjusted or unadjusted, we need the adjusted. And then finally, the concept one, we need the sales. So we'll highlight the sales and then that's let in cell D2. Okay. So we got 370, 990, just copy and paste. Copy, paste. All right. So make sure that everything is correct. For example, the sales, if we remove letter S, it won't read the data because the the sales in our raw data has letter S. So make sure everything is correct. So we'll add S, or if I here adjust, okay, you get the point. So we can check if we really get the right data. So for example, open Cebu adjusted, open Cebu adjusted. Okay, our sales total 663,821, which is correct, and then 257,8 for customers. Okay, so got we got it. So that's it. Let me know if you have questions.